What's going on? This is your boy Ryan Fu, and I just wanted to talk about the latest news about GameStop. Now, GameStop is a video game retailer. It's kind of smaller, kind of like a small Best Buy. You know, it's for like gamers, and they have like T-shirts and some like knickknacks you could buy. But it's a very small retail brand, and like gamers and a couple of people know about GameStop, but mostly it's about video games. Now, it's one of my favorite places to go to like get video games or get video game items. Now, lately, since the pandemic and COVID, it's been like really closed down. It's gotten less foot traffic, less customers, and of course, Wall Street looks at it like, okay, I feel like this company is going to go down like within this year. So a lot of people, especially hedge funds, started to sell short. And if you don't know what selling short is, basically you feel like this company is going down the drain and you're going to sell it short. You're betting that it's going to go down and you're going to make a profit going down. Essentially, that's what selling short is. Now, there's a lot of negativity when you see traders selling short because you're betting this company is going to go down within a year or two and you're going to make profits off it. So it's kind of slimy in a way, but it's economics. You know, this is the world as is. Now, there's been pushback. This is why I like the story about the elites versus the little guys, as you saw the title. David versus Goliath. And the Davids right now are people on Reddit, the popular subreddit called Wall Street Bets, the WSBs, whose tagline is, like fortune found a Bloomberg terminal. Now, it has 2 million members reading and posting, in quotations, stock tips and news. It's trolling Wall Street firms. Now, how are they doing it? They're purchasing lots of shares in GameStop, pushing the stock over 480% in a week. So they're trolling people who have power. And what I mean by power, the huge Wall Street firms, the huge hedge fund firms, and they're costing them millions, if not billions of dollars, because they're causing GameStop prices to skyrocket and their portfolios to go down. Now, the Wall Street hedge funds that include Citron Research and Melvin Capital, these are the hedge funds that shorted the stock, meaning they bet against it and needed to drop it in price in order the investments to be successful. Of course, the people on Reddit, they're like, nah, we're going to raise this up. We're going to cost you millions, if not billions, of dollars. Now, the GameStop stock have been halted multiple times over the last week because the stock price has jumped so quickly it's triggered the market protections. On Monday, the stock surged again, opening at $96 and then jumped to $159 an hour later. It's the highest ever price. And by the end of the day, it was back to $70. And on Tuesday, it opened at $88 and jumped 90% by close. And after hours trading, it jumped another 50% to over $230. And this is funny because, like, literally a year ago, the GameStop stock price was only like $4, right? It's hysterical. And this is why I like this story, because, you know, you have these people who are elites, really rich people, that are looking at this company saying like, alright, this is going down the toilet. How can we profit making this company disappear but make it a profit? And I like the story because the people on Reddit, these aren't rich people, right? These are just ordinary people who like got on the Robinhood app. And if you don't know what the Robinhood app, it's kind of like free to use trading app that you can just get on, buy stocks, you know, do trades. It's a really simple app, the Robinhood app. And these are people who decided, hey, we're gonna boost up GameStop prices, and like in turn, we're gonna go turn ourselves not rich, but you know, we're gonna stick it to the man. Essentially, we're gonna stick it to the hedge funds, the Wall Street firms who decided to take GameStop down. And this is why I like this story so much. It's David Goliath, the elites and the have-nots, who just decided, you know what, we're getting tired of getting pushed around by you guys, and we're gonna prop up this company. Now, I know a lot of journalists have called these people the angry mob, like the Twitter mob, but this is like the Reddit angry mob. The people are still upset from like the 2008 financial crisis, and they see these huge companies that cause so much trouble, right? So much trouble for the American people, and then they don't get punished for it. They just get away with it, right? And I feel like the people are still thinking about 2008, and they're still angry, like this guy who just died on this game. They're just angry about it, and they want to do something about it because, you know, the elites, the people in charge, never get in trouble, right? They just get bailed out, including the hedge funds I just talked about, the Citron and the, what's the other one called? I am forgetting their name. The Melvin Capital. Those two hedge funds are getting influx of money. They're getting bailed out because they made a, you know, it wasn't a bad decision. They just made a decision that they were going to short this stock. But, you know, surprisingly, the people on Reddit just said no, right? But these two hedge funds are going to get bailed out, like the people in 2018. They're going to get bailed out, you know, they're going to be good, right? But the normal people like us, we get punished. We get punished if we make a bad stock bet or something happens. There's nobody else to bail us out, right? This is why I like the story, because it's normal people taking actions. They've just said, we've had enough. We've had enough, and we're going to, you know, try to make some changes, right? And Wall Street has always looked down on people, especially the Reddit forums talking about stocks and portfolios. They've always looked down on them because they're like, you guys have no idea what you guys are talking about. But now, ever since this game stock price, now they're looking at people who talk about stocks, who are really wanting these stocks. Now Wall Street is looking at them like, all right, what are they like now? Now they're changing the dynamics, right? They're encouraging everyday investors, retail investors, right? Hedge funds who would have sold out in order to cut their losses. Now they've changed their dynamics, right? Now these actions have a very real impact on hedge funds. The two firms that were announced, they're getting a $2 billion bailout on Monday. It's called an emergency influx of cash, right, to stabilize the fund. This was caused by just normal people, not like high up Wall Street people who have power. This is just normal people who caused this. Now, Alexis Ohn, the co-founder of Reddit, believes it reflects a fundamental change. As he quotes, 2021, the mainstream will realize finance will be revolutionized from the bottom up because of the internet. Robinhood investors, alts, crypto, and the list goes on, as he tweeted. Also, Elon Musk also talked about the subreddit. He battled investors who shorted his company and has a reputation for trolling behavior himself. He linked a WSB subreddit on Tuesday afternoon saying, "Game stunk." So even Musk is like, you know what? I'm down for this, for these people, right? Because this is the people. We, the people. David versus Goliath. The elites versus the little people of the world. And this is why I feel like there are going to be more stories just like GameStop. And good for them. Good for them. And it's going to make huge changes in the financial world because of the subreddit situation. And I hope that there's going to be significant changes now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Like, subscribe. And just going back on GameStop, it's sad that I feel like this company, hopefully it doesn't go out of business, but like that's the sad story about this, right? Because it's going to be eventually like Blockbuster. It's going to go away because, you can get games and other stuff on Amazon, right? So that's the sad part, that GameStop is eventually going to go away. But hopefully they're going to keep fighting, just like the people on the subreddit. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. I'll check you guys out later. Keep on shocking them and keep fighting. Right?
Boys.
Keep fighting. This is your boy Ryan Phil. I'll check you guys out later. Peace.